Hi, my name is Friday. Welcome back to my channel. Let's start crafting. For this first craft, you're going to need 4 of these, some tacky glue, some jute, some brown paint, and these dowels. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take this out. Now, because I didn't hit record earlier, let me show you what I did. So I just popped this off because I'm not going to use this. And these little foam things were attached, but you just put your nails under there and they lift right off. Sometimes this glass is glued on one side, so you just gently pry it up, and then when you hit the glass side, just go back and forth gently till that seal breaks. And then you want to take these nibs out, spin them back down, grab some little pliers, and just wiggle them out. So then you want to take your dowel, and it's 18 centimeters inside, so I'm going to cut this down to 18 and place this here, and then I'm going to take another dowel and cut it right here to make like a frame, box frame. And then I'm going to take my brown paint and some water, and I'm going to stain them. Okay, while my paint sticks or dowels are drying, I'm going to start my jute, and I'm using tacky glue. I actually love the tacky glue. I'm just going to put a little dab in the center. That's probably too much. But the reason I like tacky glue is, 1, it's tacky, and 2, it gives me time to start my jute. So I'm just going to try to start a little coil in my fingers here and place it in the middle. Now you want to try and get this as accurate as you can in the middle. I like using wax paper because I can do this without getting too much tacky glue. I'm going to let that sit for a minute. I guess I should mention, tacky glue does dry fast, so I only do like about ½ inch at a time. And then when it starts to get a ridge like that, then I just press it down with the wax paper. Because mine is 18 centimeters from edge to edge, I marked mine at 9. And so I'm going to glue that right there. I'm going to put this right here. It's going to kind of center it the best I can and figure out where it needs to go. Put enough glue on there. Now I'm going to take my E6000. I already did 2 of these, and then a popsicle stick for added support. Originally was only going to make 3, but then I decided at the last minute to make 4 because I'm thinking that's going to look so cute. I absolutely love how this came out. Okay, on to the next craft. We're going to need one of these signs. I'm actually repurposing mine, and I did paint mine with chalk paint. You're going to need some foliage, just a tad piece of green foam, and one of these, and you want to paint this white as well. So the first thing you want to do is get your paint and then trim your foliage. I'm going to cut mine just to right here, just enough that I can stick it in my foam block. So I'm going to glue my little foam block down. Then this is my back side, so I want my nice side in the front. And I'm going to try and center this the best I can and glue that in there. And then I'm just going to start sticking my foliage in my green. I want some on the back and the front as well. Okay, and this is it. I just made a couple slip knots to hang it up. It makes it easier to take it down too, so I can place it flat on a countertop. But I absolutely love it. It's pretty full on the back. Yeah, on to the next craft. Okay, for this craft we need one of these signs, these beads, 2 Jenga blocks, and 3 popsicle sticks. I did cut the rounded part off. The first thing you want to do is take these, whoops, separate them. And then you want to just cut the edge off. I am actually using a miter box and this type of saw. And when I am done ripping these off and cutting them, I'm going to glue 2 of them together. Now, I did attempt to take my acetone and a cotton ball and was getting the glitter off of there so I don't ruin my brush. But as you can see, I went too far down, but that's fine. This is going to be one of them that I'm going to glue together. So let me get that part down. I'm also going to glue 2 of my Jenga sticks, not glue, paint. And then I'm going to take these 3 and I'm going to put them on wax paper and try to glue them together, but I am going to paint them. And paint your beads. We want, let's see, if these are tiny, small, medium, large, I'm going to go with the medium ones. You're pretty much going to use them all. Okay, well, let me get this done and I'll be back. Okay, now that all my pieces are dry and painted and cut and all that good stuff, the first thing I'm going to do is I am going to place my Jenga blocks at the corners like that. Now I have a good side and a bad side. You're really not going to see this, but when I'm done. So I am going to place this like this. And then I'm going to put 2 popsicle sticks on the back just to give it some extra support. So I'm going to put some hot glue here and run it around. These boards are not even, by the way. That is a problem. But I think I can make this work. So I put almost all my beads on the shish kebab stick, and what I'm going to do is I'm just going to put a little dab of hot glue just so I don't lose those beads right there, and I'll touch it up with paint. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to slide the shish kebab sticks together in between the beads like that, but I'm going to give it a tad bit of glue. Then I am going to cut this down. Now I am going to put my beads right here. Yeah, I was way off on that side. So I'm just going to put a little dab of glue here and at the other end, and a couple spots in the middle. And then this I ended up wrapping in a brown paper bag, and then I just cut it. I actually glued my popsicle sticks on the brown paper bag, cut out the brown, and then I just wrapped it around just to make it easier to paint and make it straighter. And now I'm just going to glue this on top of that and make my cute little shelf. And voila, my cute little shelf is done. So I'm going to find a hanger and put that on the back and hang it up, decorate it. Okay, so this is how this came out, and I actually love it. I just put a little sprig of greenery in there and a little candle, and it is so cute. Okay, until next time, stay safe. And to all my subscribers, thank you. And to non-subscribers, subscribe. Join the fun. Until next time.